All right, welcome to the trade recap. Today is January 6th, 2026, and I took longs on Nasdaq. 3 accounts for 297, so a little under a band, pretty much like 900. I did take TPs early because it was getting edged, and I'm not about to sit there and wait. So pretty much coming into the day, what did I see? On the 4 hour, the last change in the state of direction was to the upside right here. Same thing on the 1 hour. I don't know if I showed you all 3 accounts. Regardless, on the 1 hour, I believe, yeah, we were right here. So we just closed all the way up here on the 1 hour. That's not when we closed. We were actually down here. Either way on the 1 hour, last change of state of direction is actually to the downside. So we had a mixed bias there. So then I checked what gaps are we respecting, what are we disrespecting. On the 4 hour, we had just inversed this 4 hour gap. So I knew we had to go up, and we left this big wick down here. So I knew that we would also go up because of that. So then we go on market open knowing that we're bullish. So what did we do? I marked out my targets for the day. So we have this high, and we had this high right here, and we also had this high. Right at market open, we took out the London highs, which was our first target. So automatically got to get rid of that. We took it out, and then we came back in. So then I was looking for a 5-minute retrace, which we got into this gap right here. We also had slight manipulation of these lows, which we manipulated all of this trend line. We came down here, we tapped into the 5-minute, and then all I needed to see is a rejection off of a 5-minute, and then the highest time frame inversion of the manipulation leg. The manipulation leg was from here to here. Highest time frame inversion was a 1-minute gap right here. Yes, we did inverse it right here. I didn't like that inverse. It was right on the edge. And we left the wick, so I just waited one more candle. Right here, we also had a change of state on the 1-minute, so I entered right there. The move happened so fast, I was only able to enter on 3 accounts. I was not able to enter on Top Step. So it would have been a way bigger day. Either way, 1.43 RR. That's pretty much all it was to the trade. We had really nice trendline liquidity. We had London highs. Zoom out. We had London highs here, previous day highs, 2 days ago, previous day highs. Or no, I'm wrong. London highs, previous day highs, 2 days ago, previous day highs, all in a trend line. So I knew that was going to get taken out no matter what. But pretty easy, pretty simple day. Can't complain.